Nobody talks about the difference between being boy pretty versus girl pretty. Because back in high school, pretty much all the girls in my grade had a crush on the same dude. But this confused me because there were other guys at the school that were in way better shape, more conventionally handsome, yet they got way less attention than this guy. So it wasn't until I asked the girls what was so attractive about him that I started to understand it. Because when they were describing what they liked about him, they didn't say any physical features, well, except for his height. But besides that, they mostly talked about his energy. So I was like, what do you mean by that? And this one girl helped me understand it a lot when she was like, do you know the main character in the Ratatouille movie? And I was like, yeah, the rat? But then she was like, no, the guy. That's the type of energy we're talking about. When she said this, I was like, oh, now I see why y'all like Pete Davidson so much. Looks like me pretending to be nonchalant and mysterious this whole time was all for nothing.